This is 230 Bolling Drive in Bangor. The building is actually just off Ohio Street, just right down there. There's several multi-units in this area. It's called New Cape Heart. This is a 4-unit building. This used to be base housing when Dow Air Force Base was here. So the parking is right over here. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath unit. The power's been turned off, so there's can't turn the lights on. Apologize for that, but this is the kitchen. It has a washer dryer hookup right here. And it's a good sized kitchen, has lots of cupboard space. Electric stove. And this doorway goes into the living room, dining room combination. And then you do have a little bit of space over here in this corner. You could get a small table there, maybe some shelves for storage. And then back over this way, where we came in, there's a pantry. A little extra storage there. There's a lot of storage in these units, because again, they were built for the families when the Air Force Base was here. So they are made with a lot of storage. Another closet right here in the hallway. Will be a coat closet, probably. Next door over here, this was probably where a hot water heater was, but now it's just pipes for the heat. And then this is a really, really good size storage area. And then on the side, another storage area under the stairs. And then this is the living room. Basically living room, dining room combination. This goes back around to the kitchen. So there's room here for dining table and chairs. Most people would use a couch to split up the area. Looks out into the backyard. There's a coaxial cable hookup right there for your cable internet. And then the door over here goes out to the backyard. So there's a little patio area here, small concrete slab if you want to put a gas grill and so forth. The yard is basically shared with the other 3 units, but it is nice and wooded. There's some grass space here. Lawn mowing is included. So it's a little bit wooded. Looks on the other side, onto Langley Street, which is a street that goes out around. And so that's pretty much the downstairs. Again, pretty spacious in the living room. And then the upstairs, again, I apologize, it's a little bit dark. You have 3 bedrooms and a full bath. So this is the full bath. You have a medicine cabinet, tub shower. Again, I apologize, it's a little bit dark. It does have tile in the surround. And over here this would be the smallest bedroom, although the bedrooms are actually all a pretty decent size. It's the smallest because it does have a single closet, but it's still a pretty good size. And in this hallway there is a linen closet. And over here, this would be probably the medium-sized bedroom. And this one has a double closet. There's also storage up above. Probably for seasonal items, it's a little bit hard to get to unless you're really tall or have a step stool. These all have wood parquet floors. There's no carpet, which makes it easy to clean. Although some people like to put down area rugs. Then this is the largest bedroom. Again, it has a double closet. And then off to this side, you have a storage area. Some of the units, this section does have a half bath. There's a toilet and sink in here. But this unit does not have the bath. It has area for storage. Could be a walk-in closet or something like that. But again, these bedrooms are a really, really good size. You could get a king-size bed in here, plus additional furniture. Again, 3 bedrooms, full bath upstairs. So these units, again, they're pretty spacious, great for families. So if you have any questions, you can visit us at rentbangor.com or call 207-974-6606.